African proverb: a single bracelet does not jingle. This proverb conveys that unity and cooperation are essential for achieving harmony and success. Just as a solitary bracelet cannot produce sound, individuals working alone may not achieve the same impact as when they collaborate. In a vibrant village known for its beautiful crafts, there lived a talented artisan named Zuri. She was renowned for creating stunning bracelets and often worked alone, believing that her skills were sufficient to make the best pieces. However, she was always frustrated by the lack of recognition for her work. One day, Zuri overheard a conversation between two other artisans, Io and Lila, who were discussing their plans to create a series of jewelry pieces for the upcoming market festival. They had decided to work together, combining their skills to craft unique items that would stand out. Feeling competitive, Zuri decided to create a single, extravagant bracelet to outshine their collaboration. She poured all her energy into this one piece, intricately designing it with rare materials. However, when the day of the festival arrived, she noticed that while her bracelet was beautiful, it felt isolated and lacked the vibrancy that comes from a collection. Meanwhile, Ao and Lila unveiled their collaborative pieces, a stunning array of bracelets that jingled and sparkled with energy. Each piece was distinct, yet they harmonized beautifully together, drawing the attention of the villagers and visitors alike. As Zuri watched the crowd admire Ao and Lila's work, she realized that her solitary effort, though impressive, could not compete with the magic created by teamwork. Inspired by their success, she approached them after the festival and suggested they collaborate on a new collection. Together, they blended their styles and ideas, creating a range of bracelets that jingled in unity. The collaboration not only brought them success, but also fostered friendships among them. Zuri learned that by joining forces, they could create something far more powerful and beautiful than she could alone. This story exemplifies the proverb: while individual efforts can be significant, it is through collaboration and unity that we create something truly impactful and harmonious.